rev up your engines. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove odors and gaseous chemicals from your car using a simple filtration system. It's an Autowit air filtration system that's made just for cars. Look at it, it fits right in your cup holder. So it filtrates the air right by you. And it plugs right into your power outlet so you don't have to think about it. Now whether you know it or not, cars are full of all kinds of odors, especially newer cars. Now when I was younger, everybody wanted that new car smell, but they didn't realize what it was. New car smell consists of volatile organic compounds known as VOCs. Now these VOCs are found in adhesive, fabrics, plastics, and all kinds of stuff that are used when they make a vehicle. They emit a smell through a process known as off-gassing. Off-gassing is the release of material that was previously absorbed or trapped in that material, then it gets into the air and you breathe it in. Now the VOCs that you often breathe in a car aren't very good things. They often include things like hazardous materials of ethyl benzene, formaldehyde, toluene. Those are things that you find in nail polish, glue, things that you do not want to be breathing in all the time. Now for some people like my wife, these chemicals can cause headaches, dizziness, allergic reaction, and even nausea. So if you can get a little filter like this and stick it in your cup holder and it gets rid of that stuff, hey, what an idea. Now this filter can remove allergens, smoke, mold, dust as small as 2.5 micrometers. It's got a HEPA filter inside, it's got carbon activated filter, it even has a built-in ionizer. And it's got 3 speeds. It's got a high speed to filter stuff out really fast. Then it's got a medium speed, it's a lot quieter. Then it has a very low speed that hardly makes any noise at all. But the coolest thing is, this one has got color coding in it. It tells you when the air is clean, dirty, or in between. Watch this. Now as you can see here, it's green, meaning the air is good. I've got it on full speed so it sucks a lot of air. We're going to do a little science experiment here by pouring that in. And let's see what happens. Here come the fumes. And now it's changing colors, showing that it's got pollution going through it and it's going to filter it out. As you can see now it's red, showing that the air is polluted and it's going to filter it out. We'll let it run. And you can see now it's getting somewhat lighter. It's starting to turn yellow. Okay, this is at 9:22. And there it is turning yellow. At 9:23, it's getting to be light yellow. There it is. And a little bit later at 9:23, it's turned green. It's purified the air. Now they make the same basic filtration system that costs about half of what this one costs. It doesn't have the multi-speeds and it doesn't have the colors in it to tell you when it's polluted and when it's clean, but really, I like this one because I like the colors and I like being able to see what's happening with the air. Now, if you've been watching me any length of time, you know I really like to test stuff out correctly, so I did eat a can of baked beans, and a few hours later I went in the car and I tried that out, and let me tell you, that was a gaseous experiment. Did the same thing. It was green, and as soon as I let loose it turned red, filtered it all out until I did it again and it came green and it got rid of the odor. I was amazed. Now you might think, what's this tiny little thing gonna do? Well, hey, it was made to go up to 280 cubic feet, and hey, even a Dodge Caravan van isn't that many cubic feet, so this thing can filter a car no problem at all. And since this is Mechanic Monday, I'm giving one of these filters away. To have a chance to win, just place a clean, non-offensive comment in the YouTube comments below, and the winner will be chosen randomly by computer to have clean, fresh air in their car. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.